Hey everybody, I'm Chelsea and I am the Community Relations Lead here at Passion Planner, and I am back with another challenge of the week. But before we get into that, I'd like to take some time to acknowledge our frontline workers once again. At Passion Planner, we've been really focusing our efforts on supporting the community, and as a form of gratitude, we've been coordinating huge donations to many healthcare workers, hoping that the planner would provide them a sense of comfort during this time. So thank you again. We can't thank you enough. And let's get into this week's challenge. Challenge yourself to learn something new every day of the week. Write them down at the end of each day and reflect. Now, right off the bat, this challenge can seem pretty overwhelming. I gotta admit, I definitely felt it when I first read it, but no need to fear. Chelsea is here. First, here is how you can incorporate your planner as you take on this challenge. Number 1, list or make a mind map of all the things you want to learn. Number 2, schedule them into your weekly or monthly agendas, whatever works best for you. Number 3, block out time, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 2 hours, whatever. Block out that time each day for you to learn. And number 4, my favorite step, reflect. Now, here are some tips to make this challenge a lot more fun and a lot less overwhelming. So there is so much to learn. So when choosing what to learn, let your imagination take flight. It really could be anything from dinosaurs, how to change your tires, did Carol Baskin really kill her husband, how to give your dog a bath without scaring him or her, literally anything. The possibilities are infinite. When it comes to scheduling these learning block times in your planner, you could assign a different topic to every day, or you can choose one topic and break it down and schedule those in for each day. For example, I'm actually learning about nutrition. So every day I'm learning a different area of nutrition, whatever works for you. And I just want to add a little extra challenge to this challenge if you're up for it. So no matter what, I truly believe somehow, some way, no matter what you learn, it always connects back to life. Steve Jobs once said, "You can't connect the dots looking forward, you can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future." Now, it's okay if you don't connect those dots on the first reflection. A lot of the times it really comes when we least expect it, and the energy and the inspiration that comes from those times, it's amazing. So if you choose, try to connect those dots, whether it's to your life or to humanity, to society. It's a lot of good stuff. And that is it for our challenge of the week. Thank you for tuning in. You know, we're really interested in what you guys are interested, so please comment below with a topic that you want to learn about. And stay safe, take care, and always remember, Chelsea Wong believes in you. And one more thing, while we're on the topic of learning something new, I really wanted to learn something new to give to you guys and to dedicate to all of our healthcare workers, our frontline heroes. This song has a special place in my heart. I want to gift it to you guys. Each and every one of you, you're a hero.